Hello everyone, my name is Chetan Saklani. I am the Deputy General Manager, Sanjeevani Kaya Shodhan Sansthan. Today, me and my team of specialists will give you an insight about Sanjeevani, an overview about Sanjeevani and its facilities. Sanjeevani is located in Gohana, Sonipat district, Haryana, and it's spread over 107 acres of lush green environment, and we are dedicated to serve humanity with all our offerings. We provide all kinds of naturopathy and Ayurveda treatments at Sanjeevani, wherein we cover all types of diseases, almost all types of diseases it's treated at Sanjeevani. And today we are going to tell you why it is important to take naturopathy and Ayurveda in all seasons. You can come at any time throughout the year, but why it is highly recommended by our doctors to take treatments, especially in winters, that our doctors will explain you. Also, I would like to tell you that in Sanjeevani, there are quite many facilities which you can avail. For example, we have a gymnasium, we have indoor swimming pool, we have a beauty parlor, we have Shopee, and we have 24 hours Wi-Fi facility, and we have all types of naturopathy, Ayurveda treatments. Also, we have a very huge campus where you can go for a long walk, and we are quite many, we perform many activities here. So you can enjoy the time, you can have a peaceful time, you can detox yourself, rejuvenate yourself during this time. And we have special programs, detoxification, special programs for weight loss, detoxification, diabetes, cholesterol, pain management, and there are many more things which our doctors will explain you. So now I would request Dr. Shruti Vasiluji, who would give you an insight about naturopathy.
Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Shruti Vasilu, working as a consultant naturopathy physician in Sanjeevani Naturopathy Hospital. Now I'm going to explain you about the benefits of naturopathy, especially in the winter seasons. There are many misnomers or misconceptions that naturopathy is good in summer season. No, not at all. Naturopathy is a kind of modality that can be taken throughout the year. And now, naturopathy is not only therapeutically, it is also like a lifestyle modification. Naturopathy teaches you how your lifestyle should be. Coming to the treatment wise, naturopathy starts with the inner body cleansing, that is Shat Karma. You know, Shat Karma is such a wonderful technique that cleanses your body from inside. After that, the normal procedure of yoga, pranayama, mudras, bandhas, these are all the techniques therapeutically helps you to clean your body, mind and soul. So in winters, if you enjoy the naturopathy treatment, this helps you in rejuvenating your body more. Even spiritually also, winter season is recommended because in winter season, our body has a great capacity to heal itself, and it has a great capacity to receive all the treatments, and it heals by itself. And hence the naturopathy comes into line that helps you to rejuvenate your body, to detox your body, as our Chetan sir already said you. And coming to the therapeutic wise, in naturopathy we use all the natural things, just like a water, mud, which has no side effects. So don't worry about any side effects in naturopathy. Anybody can take naturopathy. Even without surgeries we can treat yourself, and also post-operative complications also can be treated through naturopathy. So now I request Dr. Himani to explain about Ayurveda.
Thank you Dr. Shruti and Chetan ji for explaining about the naturopathy and our beautiful center of Sanjeevani. So when we talk about the Ayurveda, winter in Ayurveda is called as Hemant Ritu. हेमंत ऋतु को हम विंटर्स के साथ कोरिलेट करते हैं, जो लगभग नवंबर से लेके आपका फरवरी सीजन तक रहता है। विंटर्स में बेसिकली कम्स विद द चिल एयर, जो हमारी बॉडी में हमारे 3 दोषास में से वात को एक्टिवेट करता है। वात को पेसिफाई करने के लिए ऑयल ट्रीटमेंट्स रिकमेंडेड हैं। वात हमारी बॉडी में मेनली मसल स्पाज्म को बढ़ाता है, पेन्स को बढ़ाता है, जिसके लिए यू कैन कम एट संजीवनी एंड टेक hot oil massages and the steam to decrease your all the pains, all your joint stiffnesses and all your joint pains. एंड सेकेंडली जो हेमंत ऋतु से पहले शरद ऋतु होती है, शरद ऋतु में आयुर्वेद में कहा गया है आपका पित्त बढ़ता है। पित्त को अगर हमने सही तरीके से सेटल नहीं किया तो वो हमारा पूरा हेमंत सीजन डिस्टर्ब करता है, हमारी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है, हमारी अग्नि डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है, आपका डाइजेशन बिल्कुल पुअर हो जाता है एंड अपकमिंग ईयर आपका डिस्टर्ब रहता है। सो इट रिकमेंडेड इन आयुर्वेदा टू टेक डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन प्रोसेसेस कॉल्ड एज द पंचकर्मा to balance your pith which was aggravated at the autumn season. And third part is the immunity. आपकी इम्यूनिटी को इंक्रीज करने के लिए जो पंचकर्मा थेरेपीज़ हैं वो बेस्टली रिकमेंडेड हैं हमारे वेदास में to take the panchkarma treatment in winter season to enhance your immunity to work out all the season. So I really recommend to take the panchkarma therapies to decrease your pains, to increase your immunity and to balance your pitta. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shruti and Dr. Himani, for such a crucial information. I would request you to come to Sanjeevani and take benefits of all our services. For bookings, you can contact in the given numbers, and you can go through our website www.sanjeevnikayashodan.com for more information. Thank you so much.